In basic English, we say you are lucky. In advanced English, we can say you are jamming. In basic English, we say he is arrogant. In advanced English, we say he is haughty. In basic English, we say she is very shy. In advanced English, we can say she is timid. In basic English, we say stop wasting time. In advanced English, we can say stop faffing around. In basic English, we say sorry I fell asleep. In advanced English, we can say sorry I nodded off. In basic English, we say it's not so difficult. In advanced English, we can say it's not rocket science. In basic English, we say I am very hungry. In advanced English, we can say I am famished. In basic English, we say she is very talented. In advanced English, we can say she is gifted. In basic English, we say hold on. In advanced English, we can say hang on. In basic English, we say I don't understand. In advanced English, we can say I don't get it. In basic English, we say I need to ask you some questions. In advanced English, we can say I need to pick your brains. In basic English, we say let's meet today. In advanced English, we can say let's catch up today. In basic English, we say good luck, bro. In advanced English, we say break a leg, bro. Assalamu alaikum. It's me, Fatima. Hope you're fine. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.